My name is Brent Westland, first-year auto instructor here at NWTC at the Transportation Center. Overview of the program here for some new students. We do offer a 2-year technical degree program that we have, also associate's degree program if students choose to as well. Basically, we start first year, go through a lot of basic stuff that builds you up from the ground up. Basically, once they move into second year, they get a lot more in depth inside of your engines, transmissions, differential driveline, a lot more advanced things. We'll have a balance of lecture and lab where students really get a chance to get hands-on fixing vehicles, customer vehicles, lab vehicles that we have. Here at the Transportation Center at NWTC is really a top-of-the-line facility. Top-of-the-line equipment, a lot of equipment that dealers and other independent places around the area use, so the students really get a chance to see what's out there in the industry. The foundation that we as instructors give here for the automotive program really lets the student branch out for possible career opportunities. It really opens up from the independent places to the dealership environment and branching out even from there to diesel, some other specialties, electric vehicles as well. So the demands of this industry are very high. Employers are always looking for qualified, skilled technicians as they enter the workforce. So the program really sets students up here for success. So giving that foundation, starting out in first year with the basics of everything to build you up, moving into second year and really just giving you the opportunities to be successful in your career.